Good morning, students. This is session 2 of 8th Standard Social Science, Civics, 5th Unit, Road Safety Rules and Regulations. In previous class, you learnt about importance of road safety, reasons for the road accidents, traffic signs, and traffic signals. Now, we are going to discuss about traffic rules in India. What are the major traffic rules in India? The Motor Vehicle Act 1988 passed by the Parliament, which came into force in 1989, is applicable to the whole of India. On one-way road, the driver should allow the overtaking vehicle through the right. Never park the vehicle in reverse on a one-way street. Second one, on a two-way road, the driver must drive on the left side of the road. And then it is mandatory for the driver to slow down at all interjunctions and pedestrian crossing. Next, drivers should not use the horns in prohibited areas like hospital zones, school zones, etc. It is our responsibility to give way to emergency vehicles such as fire engine and ambulance. Driver should use high beam only when necessary. It is important to dim the lights when there are oncoming vehicles or when driving closely behind another. And then when the driver is slowing down his vehicle, he has to raise the right arm and swing it up and down gently. When the driver stopping his vehicle, he has to raise the arm vertically for the indication to the other vehicles behind it. If the driver is turning right, he has to extend the arm straight out with the palm facing front. And then if the driver is turning left, he has to rotate the hand in an anti-clockwise direction. In case of emergency, the hazard indicator should be used, which will switch on both the indicators. On a two-wheeler, only 1 billion rider is allowed. The horn should not sound really shrill, irritating or loud. Electronic horn is permitted. The last one, parking vehicles in front of rescue vehicles such as an ambulance, fire engine or a police vehicle is punishable by law and the individual doing so has to pay fine. These are all the traffic rules in India. And also, according to Indian Penal Code of 304A, the police will file a criminal case under this section, which deals with offences relating to death due to rashness and negligence of the driver. Because of the carelessness of the driver, if there is any death happened on the road means police can file the case against the driver under the Indian Penal Code, that is IPC 304A. Now, let's see the different color number plates in our country and what is the meaning of the color. The first one, red number plate. It is used in the vehicle for the President of India and Governor of states. Next one, blue number plate is given to a vehicle that is used by foreign delegates or foreign ambassadors. Third one, white number plate. It means that the car belongs to a common citizen. Common citizen means like us. And then yellow number plate, it is for commercial vehicle. For example, call taxi. And then essential documents, a driver should possess the following documents while driving the vehicle: driving license, registration certificate of the vehicle, taxation certificate, insurance certificate, fitness certificate, and permit. And then, what are the steps taken by the government to prevent road accidents? The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has taken a number of steps to prevent such road accidents. The first one is a multi-pronged strategy. It has been adopted based on 4 E's. The 4 E's are engineering, enforcement, education, and emergency. Engineering means a proper construction of roads and bridges that comes under engineering. Second one, enforcement. Making the road rules and laws and enforcing it in the society. Education means educating the people about the road signs and the traffic signals. The last one, emergency. In case of any accidents, there is an ambulance service, that is 108 service. This is the multi-pronged strategy. The next one is improving vehicular safety standards. Trucks are prohibited from carrying protruding rods. Protruding rods means the rods will be coming out from the vehicle. It will injure the person who are driving behind a particular truck. So the trucks are prohibited from carrying protruding rods. And then anti-locking brake system, that is ABS, has been made mandatory on heavy vehicles. And then AHO, automatic headlight on, made mandatory for two-wheelers to make them more visible. Third one, pilot projects for cashless treatment of road accidents. This project has already done in the stretch of NH8 and NH33. NH means National Highways. And then last step, quick response ambulances. Quick response ambulances are parked in every 50 kilometers on the national highways by the National Highway Authority of India. NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. Next, speed governors or speed limiters. This device has a series of sensors that can detect how fast a vehicle is going and if this crosses the limit set by it. The speed governors will automatically reduce the speed. Road Safety Week. Road Safety Week is a national event aimed at raising public awareness about traffic rules and ultimately to reduce casualties due to road accidents. It is also intended to reinforce road safety behavior among road users. Road users means that is drivers. National Road Safety Week is observed in the month of January every year. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, that is IFRC, suggested 10 points as follows. Know how to react in case of a crash. Second point, use a seat belt. And then wear a helmet on a motorcycle. Fourth one, drive at a safe speed and distance suitable for the conditions. Fifth one, not drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs. And then not use a mobile phone while driving. Seventh point, be visible as a pedestrian or cyclist. Eighth one, know and respect the highway code. Ninth one, maintain my vehicle in a good condition. The 10th one, be licensed and trained for the vehicle I drive. This is the 10 points suggested by IFRC. So children, we are come to an end of this session. Road traffic accidents are predictable and therefore preventable. So everyone should strictly follow the road safety rules and signs. Okay students, I hope you are clear with this topic. Shall we recall now? Yes, the rule of the road regulation was brought into effect from July 1, 1989. And then the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has taken a number of steps to prevent road accidents. And then to strengthen the awareness on road safety system, rules and regulations, Ministry of Transport and Highways Road Safety Week every year. A National Road Safety Week is observed in the month of January every year. Children, with this video, Civics Unit 5, that is Road Safety Rules and Regulation is completed. Thank you students.